Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add multiple lines in a text box, how to concatenate text, and how to continue lines of code when they are, let's say, continue lines of code in the editor. In this video I've created a project I've called multiple lines, concatenate and continue lines in the editor. Then I've added a text box known as name txt name, then txt message. So what I'm going to do, if I click this, when I click this button, I want to get the name in the text box, then the message, and concatenate them and display them in a message box. So it's cool stuff. Let's see. So I just double click this button, then I've just zoomed a little so that you can see this text, and so that I can have a space to concatenate on. I can just pull that aside, this one the other side. So after I click the button, I want first of all to get that message from the text box and concatenate them with a message showing the name and the message the person just showed. But before we go to the coding, I want to show you how to add multiple lines in a text box. It's simple. Let's say we want our message to be long, so it's simple. You just select the text box, then click on this small arrow here, then click line. So that way my message box will allow me to add several lines on that on that text box. So it will be simple. It's just as simple as that, but I'll still show you in the code how to create multiple lines in the message box using the add a new line function there in Visual, available in Visual Basic. So I'll double click that message and then that button and then start. So to get that message, I want to display that message on the message box. So that's the first thing I need is a message box. Message box dot show. Then I want the text to be the name of the person who is entering the message and the message. So I'll just write some text. I'll add something there, let's say a colon. Then I'll concatenate that text. To concatenate, I'll close that text, then put an ampersand, then I'll say txt name dot text. Simply what I'm doing, I'm concatenating the text box. I'm concatenating this message with whatever the user has entered in the text box. As simple as that. Then to go to the next line, because I know it won't fit, the other part won't fit here, I can just add something here. You said no, let's just go to the next line immediately from there. So I'll put a space, an underscore, then I'll press enter, and I add some message here. So I can just add my ampersand, so to concatenate the other message, and say you said, close there, concatenate again with the message from the text, from the message text box. So I'll say txt message dot text. So what I've simply done, I can add a message and add a title line and the title. Let's say call this evidence. So what I've simply done in that code, I've said you are, then I've concatenated with the name in the text box. So in case you said the name is Mike, you say you are Mike, you said, and the message that someone typed in there, then they have a title, evidence. So when I run the program, then I will add my name here, let's say John, and a message. I'm gonna kick you, bro. Let's say I'm saying that. Then I show message, it will say you are John, you said, I'm gonna kick you, bro. So let's say I want to be you are John to be in one line, then you say, then the message to be on the next line. So I'll be adding a line in the code. So let me show you. So to add that line, to add a new line in the code, it's just a simple thing, just a very simple. So what I'll just do, I'll click enter here and say ampersand environment dot new line. Then I'll just put a underscore there to show I'm just going to the next. I'm moving from this line to this line. Then to restructure this code, I can put an ampersand there, underscore there, and just go to the next line. So the part adding a new line is this one, environment dot new line. This is just a, let's say this new line is a function inside Visual Basic under the namespace environment, which enables you to add a new line inside the text while the code is running, instead of you clicking enter and such stuff. So it will just add a new line automatically. So when I run this and let me put the name here to be very, then the message, I will get engaged tomorrow, let's say that. Then I click on show message. So you see, you are Mary, you said I will get engaged tomorrow. Just as simple as that. That's how you add a new line, how you concatenate text, and how you continue line to the next line. So just for some recap, this one and is just used for concatenation. So what we are doing, you are adding a string of your own here, then you are concatenating with the name from the text box. Then because it won't fit here, you just go to the next, you put an underscore and go to the next line. Then you concatenate with a new line, then you put another underscore, then you concatenate with some message, then you concatenate with the message here, then you put an underscore again, you go to the next line and add the title of your text box. Just as simple as that. Cool stuff, isn't it? I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like and subscribe in our YouTube channel, Joinax Softwares. Thank you.